Hello, and welcome back to Decentralized YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to evaluate crypto projects and make informed investment decisions. We'll guide you through essential factors to consider before investing in any cryptocurrency. So, let's dive right in. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to conduct thorough research before investing. With thousands of projects out there, it can be challenging to separate the gems from the duds. That's where our guide comes in, to help you make informed decisions and minimize risks. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience, knowledge, and understanding. Don't fall victim to FOMO, fear of missing out, or the hype surrounding certain projects. Instead, arm yourself with information and make calculated decisions. Factors to consider when evaluating crypto projects. When evaluating a crypto project, there are several factors to consider. We'll break them down into the following categories: project fundamentals, tokenomics, team and partnerships, community and adoption, and market potential. First, let's discuss project fundamentals. These are the core aspects of a project that give it value and potential for success. Here are some questions to ask when assessing fundamentals. What problem does the project aim to solve? A successful crypto project should address a real-world problem or create value in a specific industry. How does the project's technology work? Understand the underlying technology, such as blockchain, smart contracts, or consensus algorithms, and how it contributes to the project's goals. What is the project's roadmap? Look for a clear and achievable development roadmap with milestones that demonstrate the project's progress and long-term vision. Does the project have a working product or service? A functioning product is a strong indicator of a project's legitimacy and potential for success. Next up is tokenomics, the study of a token's economic structure and design. Here's what you need to consider. What is the token's utility or function? Understand the purpose of the token within the project's ecosystem and how it derives value. What is the token's distribution? Look at the total supply, circulating supply, and distribution method. Be cautious of projects with a significant portion of tokens held by a few individuals, as this may lead to centralization and price manipulation. Is there a token release schedule? A transparent release schedule can help prevent sudden token inflation or dilution of value. How are tokens secured and governed? Assess the project's security measures and governance model to ensure the token's long-term viability. A strong team and solid partnerships can make or break a project. Here's what to look for. Who is behind the project? Research the team's background and expertise in relevant industries, such as blockchain, technology, or finance. Are there any notable advisors or partners? High-profile advisors or partnerships with established companies can lend credibility and support to the project. Does the team have a history of success? A track record of successful projects or businesses in the past can be a strong indicator of the team's ability to execute on their vision. A thriving community and widespread adoption are crucial for a project's long-term success. Consider the following. How engaged is the project's community? A passionate and active community can contribute to the project's development and growth. How is the project being adopted? Look for real-world use cases, partnerships, and collaborations that demonstrate the project's potential for mainstream adoption. Are there regular updates and communication from the team? Transparency and open communication can help build trust and confidence in the project. Finally, assess the project's market potential by considering the following factors. What is the project's competition? Understand the competitive landscape and how the project differentiates itself from its competitors. How big is the target market? A large and growing market can offer more significant opportunities for the project to succeed. What stage of development is the project in? Early stage projects may have more growth potential, but they also carry higher risks. More mature projects may offer stability but have limited upside potential. In conclusion, evaluating crypto projects is a multifaceted process that requires thorough research and due diligence. By considering project fundamentals, tokenomics, team and partnerships, community and adoption, and market potential, you'll be well equipped to make informed investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about Web3, NFT, Metaverse, AI, tech, blockchain, decentralized finance, and crypto. We invite you to visit our website at decentralized.com, type 1 instead of I, where you can find more resources and information on decentralization. We also invite you to join us on Telegram, and follow us on our social media channels. Links are in the description of this video. Did you enjoy watching the video? Let us know in the comment below.